told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hey my love, welcome back to my channel. This is Oma's Kitchen. So on today's video, I'll be sharing from the caption how to make your crunchy, rich, homemade Nigerian chin-chin. So on this video, I'll be showing you guys step-by-step process on how you can make this. Yummy. So I'll be taking you on step-by-step process on how to make this. So sit down, relax, cross your legs, and then stay through this video. So for this recipe, you need your flour, sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, milk flavor, vanilla flavor, butter, egg, liquid milk, sachet milk, and your salt. So for the preparation, so to a clean dry bowl, sieve out your flour and take out 1 cup for rolling. To your flour, add your milk flavor and mix. Add your sachet milk and mix. Grind your nutmeg and mix. Add your salt and mix. Add your baking powder, little quantity for baking powder. Add your sugar and mix. In a different bowl, break my egg, melted little quantity of my butter, added my flavor, which is vanilla flavor, add small quantity of my liquid milk. So for the mixing, guys, you add bit by bit and mash them together. While mashing them together, I realized that it was sticky, which means that the liquid substance in it is enough to mash them together. So I continued mashing till I get a dough. I mash like this to mix them properly. So for the rolling, guys, I used my chopping board and my pestle since I don't have rolling board or rolling pin available. So to my chopping board, I sprinkle flour on it. And also sprinkle flour on my pestle so that it will not be sticky while rolling. So for the rolling, you roll upwards and downwards and turn, upwards, downwards and turn, sideways and turn. So for the cutting, guys, you can make use of your cutter or a knife. Since a cutter is available, I can make use of that. And one good thing about this cutter, it has 2 shapes, but I prefer using this shape. So I tried taking out those bad edges. And roll them back into a dough. So my dough is ready for frying. So for the frying, you fry on low heat. And before frying, take 1 piece of the dough and add it to your oil. Once the oil is hot, you can now fry. So I use paper towel to drain out excess oil. And once my chin-chin is cool, I store in an airtight container for a long period of time. So my chin-chin is ready. Yummy! So go and do your own magic and come back to my comment section and drop your comments. I know you have watched through the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. When you must have done your own magic, come back on the comment section and drop a comment. I really need your comments, guys. You'll be expecting another video on how to make your peanuts. So thank you and see you guys on my next video. Bye.